This year we're celebrating 125 years of fire service in Orland Park. And behind this we have our history board. And it's really interesting. You know, the fire department started in right around 1894. But the history is unique because back in 1969, the village of Orland Park, by resolution, decided that the fire department could no longer protect areas outside the village, which forced a referendum to create a fire protection district. And by the creation of that fire district, it set the foundation for what we have here today.
Every, third Thursday, the fire district holds a coffee and conversation. And the seniors put on information, give out to the other seniors. We have quite a good showing. We would like more. Fire safety is very important these days. And people just would like to show up, see our presentations, and a lot of it is geared to senior citizens.
We have new cadets that are coming down now. I was off for about a year with an injury. There's another 10 guys that I haven't even been introduced to yet that got hired just when I was off. Growth here has just been a tremendous. And like I said, this is a very good place for opportunity. If you're a young guy, want to come on a job here, there's so much opportunity. It's just a very good place to be. I'm glad I chose Orland.
We are a part-time bomb squad unit. We're also policemen that drive around in F-250 pickup trucks that have a little bit less equipment than this big truck. So we initially, if it's a bomb call, we respond in our F-250s. And if it's something bigger, we need robots, we'll call out the big truck. They call it like an EOD robot, which is it's on the civilian side. So the military, it's the same company. Andros makes for the military too, but civilian side they added more cameras. This one has like 4 cameras total, and then you got the claw to move stuff around. And then you also have, we call them disruptors. They look like shotgun shells here, or shotguns. We load those with water and we can disrupt packages.
We do have a very high cardiac arrest save rate, better than the state, better than most communities because we have a plan. And we practice our plan. Our paramedics spend countless hours preparing for these type of events, for the cardiac arrest event. And in contrast to years past, not that we did a bad job, we did what we were trained to do, but through science and technology and learning, which happens over years, we now have a program that if you have a chance to be saved, our paramedics can make it happen.
You are in a sled, so it's a fancy fish finder, really. So if any fishermen, we have like a really nice fish finder that we can find.
What he wants to do is get to the locking mechanism in there and just break the lock off, right? And then the hinges open up and we can cut the hinges, we can separate the hinges, we just rip the bolts right out of the car. There you go. So now the door's away, we can get firefighters and paramedics up closely to the injured victim and get them on a backboard, get them on the cot. If their legs are trapped underneath the dashboard, there's more techniques we can do.
Here we go. You want to make sure we don't bounce them off the wall. Maybe injured already. We have EMS on the ground waiting for us.
Be aware of the fact that we've got a smoke detector in each one of these cans. So listen for it to see how long it takes from the time they ignite the fire till the time it starts to go off. The fires that are burning in single-family homes now are hotter and hotter due to the new types of materials, the new commodities that they're using to make furniture and make the components of a single-family home. They meet certain standards as far as their construction, but fire service or fire survivability is still something that we're fighting with to make it better, to make it safer in homes. It takes 6 minutes for the fire department to get there, but we've seen right here behind us what happens in just 2 minutes, okay? If that fire was in that bedroom for 2 minutes and raised itself built itself to the magnitude that it was at right now and was unchecked until we get there, the addition of sprinklers would be a benefit to the family. Go ahead, hit it. Are we good? All right, we got a fire. Hey, wait a minute. What happened? We had a fire sprinkler in there. Just one fire sprinkler sensed the temperature in the room and says, oh no, I've got to turn on. Sprinkler systems are in a lot of the businesses in this community. That's the stuff that we inspect. The place that we don't have sprinklers are in the single family homes. Believe it or not, they make fire sprinklers for single family homes.
Our company is licensed by the Illinois Department of Public Health. I am a non-medical state agency, and we provide non-medical services to seniors in their home or wherever their home is, could possibly be in a community as well. We'll really say to the seniors, what do you want to learn about? And then they predict the topics, and then I go find them, and Betsy hosts it, and we work really, really well together, and the seniors love it, and we love it.
So I'm a volunteer member with the Senior Advisory Council, and now instead of teaching 5- and 6-year-olds how to be safe in kindergarten, I'm teaching 80-plusers how to be safe and around fire, safety in their home, and I'm really loving it.
I am very involved with the Orland Township, and I volunteer at Silver Cross. This is my, 4th or 5th time here to bring all the information to the seniors. That is our objective.
We strive to find out more and more how we can help the seniors. And every 4th Thursday of the month we have coffee and conversation and speakers for the seniors, and they're excellent speakers on everything from nursing homes to hospice, palliative treatment. It's really interesting.